Let's go. Let's go. Oh, damn. Are you serious, man? They really gonna show me Himeno's death again? This is too hurtful. This hurts too much to watch, man. She did what she had to do to protect who she loved, you know? Her OST is so beautiful too. It complements her character so well, especially in this moment. You saw that small detail just now? Like her nail just flew off? What the heck? Hold up. You saw that? She sacrificed a nail just for that big ass snake demon devil like that. All it takes is a nail just for that? Wow. Ridiculous. Completely, utterly ridiculous. Damn, man. Damn. She's a problem. He's a problem. Oh, wow. The ghost is still active? Oh, yes, sir. Rev it up for me. Yeah, boy. Really? You think so? I want to see you try. He looks so badass right now. Let's go. Let's go. Of course, they gonna just put a pause right there. This fight about to be epic, man. The Katana Devil versus the Chainsaw Devil. Katana Man versus Chainsaw Man. Who's gonna win it? Who's gonna win it all? Oh my god, man. Oh my god. Man, what y'all pistols gonna do? Ooh. Damn, yeah, knock him out, please. Oh no. When he gets in that position, you already know. Oh hell. Damn. Jesus Christ. Damn. I was hoping that fight to go a little longer, but hey, I mean, Denji was not expecting that whatsoever. Damn, he got clapped. She got clapped. Damn, brains all on the floor. They both got clapped. She's gone. Makima, you know good and well she ain't dead. I mean, come on now. She too important to the story. See? See what I mean? Ain't no way a girl like Makima gonna be dead when you got eyes like hers. Like, you know she got something else going on within her. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. That's all I'll say about Makima. Jesus Christ. If you know, you know. Don't they find it a little suspicious how she didn't get clapped when she all bloodied up like that and everybody else on that train was just bullets, filled with bullets, bullet holes and everything, man. The detail, the amount of detail they put, the amount of minute detail they put into the clothing, the hair, the environment. Mappa, you guys are the go for these. Okay, like, it is so impressive just seeing that amount of detail and just not less important moments of the story. That's just such a big flex. That's a huge flex in the animation industry, man, for real. Mappa, shout out to y'all. Y'all doing y'all thing. Just like the texture on the carpet and the wrinkles in the shirts, like, it's so impressive. And the hair strands. Wow. Oh, damn. Jesus Christ. Makima's power at work. Oh my god. Those crows they serving as like surveillance, just like her eyes, to pinpoint the enemies. Makima. She OP. There's music too. This must be her theme. I love it. Damn. Oh hell. Yo. Her power is so OP. It's just wild. So it's like she's sacrificing these inmates to kill off the enemy. Each enemy one by one. Damn. Yo, you gone too, my boy. You dead. No point in running away. She got your name. You dead. Oh my god. Ain't no use. You done. You're done, bro. You're done. She know your name. She know where you at. You done. She doing this all to save Denji. For real. You two are lucky y'all ain't got clapped. That's just pure luck. So all those inmates are just dead. Their lives are gone just to kill off those people that got demolished by Makima. You know what her power reminds me so much of? Sacrificing one dude. Sacrificing a person and kill off another person. Kind of like, I'm relating this back to Naruto Shippuden. Okay. All right, just follow where I'm going with this. Like, you remember the 6 Paths of Pain? Like Nagato, he's the control of the main centerpiece that controls all the 6 Paths of Pain, like the animal path, resurrection path, weapon path, whatever, all 6 of them. And it's like Nagato had to kill, like sacrifice, basically like make each path dead in order to regain that power and use it for his own. Pretty much. That's what it reminds me of. It's not exactly the same like what Makima's doing, but it's similar. It's like in similar fashion to me, from what I can gather so far from what I'm seeing. Overall, it's just a wild power. It's crazy how Makima is just demolishing these dudes. Hell yeah. Oh hell. Damn, she saw her boy get clapped right in front of her very eyes. Damn. I can't imagine how she's feeling right now. Oh, damn. Ooh, she turning up. Let's go. Okay. Okay, girl. She, Kamani popping off right now, girl. She holding her own right now. I'm proud of baby girl. I've honestly completely forgot how much of a threat she actually is. I'm mistaking her for just being such a crybaby, just a scared girl all the time. Oh my God, she's so nice. No hesitation. She's cutthroat. Damn. I feel so bad for her right now. I feel so bad. Shoot, this job would drive anybody nuts. I'm surprised she came this far. Damn, she don't even know Himeno's gone. That, oh, damn. Damn, their forces got diminished real quick. Jesus, man, this episode's ridiculous. New ending, let's go. Let's see what's popping. Damn, that blood flow is so fluid. I I like it. So dynamic. Well, from what I can decipher, this is just emphasis on blood and fluidness. That's how I'm interpreting this right now. Fluidity. Damn, that episode was dope. Fire. Hey, Chainsaw Man, guys. Absolutely love it. I'll catch y'all on the next one, though. I'm out.